Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you are unable to remove a Bluetooth device even after you unpair it, then watch this video for the solution. Now the solution for this is very simple folks. We will just right click on the start button, go to device manager, and in device manager we will check on view and we will select show hidden devices, right? So this basically has happened. This error happens after the recent update in Windows 11. So now we will go to Bluetooth, open it and look for any light colored device here. Right click on it and we need to click on uninstall device, or we can click on disable device. It would be better if you uninstall the device. Now to show you, I don't have any devices here, but I can show you in human interface device. You see that there is a light colored icon here. So I need to just right click on it and then click on uninstall device. Do the same in your Bluetooth, not here but in Bluetooth. If you find any light colored device, just right click on it and click on uninstall device and then just restart the computer, and then you should be able to not see the Bluetooth device anymore and you can repair the device again without any error. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.